Memo kwaba Adom Badwam TV Badwam Health Tips eso eno ne dwumadi a yedi na dwuada de kosi fiada 5 minutes menum pe na dokotafo afa topic back for the week na si aye ne kakra sa kosi say ifiada bedru go ye hu ne say ye ne bummamu a what the time ni ho say ebu ne tot e de amamo ne ba ye nso mosomu sonko obia je atum nyame hira mo se ne nyina ye hwe apomuden ehun nsam ye se etumi baso a eye endpoint homeopathic clinic won madaroma enom so yase eme nya dokotafo nimdifo ahodo ene wo mudi nkomo e wa apomuden hu ti mesro frɛ Dr. Duboaten ne number ni sisi e wo screen ase na condition bi e ha wo so your doctor nti bisa no no nia no emfa emma wo nyame adom na wotwe mu yanya Dr. Duboaten a oni ebefa hepatitis emu ne nyina yentie de ye mfa moye bra meda asesa waje bread dog ye mo akwaba ye na asesa bribia ye ba waje ye so na wotwe mu se ye kasa fa hepatitis of
that's right
eno ye condition ben ya
yo meda ase ye ka hepatitis ya ye brebo mu yade
okay
say ni pada say ni brebo no ehuhuru ye be ka na say bu ni be ka say inflammation of the liver ye nim say the brebo sitie me brebo de me so bia nim because ye enkola no buru nya ba beso a ye kum aponche anaze wodwan anaze akokọ a ye enkola no de ewe ye ma ye brebo eno nti brebo de obi anim na se de brebo de nim se de sitie se de how tender it is nti se sa brebo no huhuru yade ebamu a ne huhuru a ene be ka se wanya hepatitis na hepatitis ne wo ahodo bebre hepatitis no ye wo ahodo me ka se me categorize na ndabe se 2 types Yawo viral hepatitis and yawo non-viral hepatitis. Yakaza viral hepatitis na just say a moawa virus a moa bi and a disa huhuriye no aba wo liver nim. Na sa moawa na ediba ayinimu no yawo mu ahodo be num. Ah ye be kan say hepatitis A, yawo hepatitis B, yawo hepatitis C, yawo D and yawo E. Na de enti obi beka say na de ya de
na no ho
na okura alphabet de man yes na say virus kura e de sa ya de ne ba no na kire virus kura eye alphabet kura eye enti say e virus A na de ba ya yes hepatitis A say ye B na de ba ya hepatitis B e C a sa pepe ene ye hepatitis ni bi so a na nye virus virus no de wo hwem enamu ene no ma bebrebi nipa ho ensuo ni sa na bi na de ba moja mu yade nipa ho ensuo na de sa de ne ba na mo ye won non viral hepatitis ye ka non viral hepatitis na je se ene de enye emwawa ene de ba na mmomu no mpem bebre nu ano ye yesu ni ye ban ene kofa beso ye esu ni ban ni bi ne de he obi wo ho a ne tiye ne ya na okoto paracetamol na wanom ne tiye ne ya wantima na okonom painkiller bi eni nto obitimi abuse sa painkillers no na brebo no de ne dwumadie kase adie ne se efin bi ebekọ honam duani mu chemical bi ebekọ honam duani mu nyina bi ekọ honam dua mu bia so obi anom poison a sa poison no brebo no e fa yi no abrebo na betimi the effect na brebo na be yi sa effect na free o nto obi kodi aduani bi a poison ye be kan say food poison na honko ne ba no a aduani bi ferment aduani bi asai na obi akwakodie brebo no na wo sai no enti se ekọ brebo next say inflame no a e ma brebo no huhuru a ye se wanya bi efenza hepatitis so ho e na obi wa ensa alcohol e na wa abuse no enti obi anum alcohol ama na no nyina ahye ayekọ saa ensa na wo no bebrebe ni nyina no brebo no ehu eno brebo no ehuhuru brebo no enti wakonya ensa etimi obi nya hepatitis ye be kana say alcoholic hepatitis obi owa eye drug bi na wanom ama na buso enu obi hu nsunsanso etima ni brebo no ehuhuru eno so hepatitis ni bia eni nti ka hepatitis ni nyina no a enye viral nkoa na de ba ye lifestyle bi a iwo mo so timi kofa de efenza hepatitis ba na mo mo chena ye beto ankomodie ni so de how bia no for endpoint and hepatitis ni bu person check na ohunu ade ko ha wo ene nko ne ba endpoint for yen was 0244 86 70 68 0244 86 70 68.
Yeah, the doctor do what he has said, Mr. Freno. Yeah, Fanny Asham Comonosi or China Sabria. Can you 5 minutes? Yen check, Sabe, I'll be to me. I can't walk on you, so. Media fear among qua Tamaklo.
Yancha Monia Mama Kwaba and Badwam Ahosepe Media's World of Entertainment. Dear Chagu, ya de bisum sumuni, dear Fatawa Nini, the Kakra, someone 70 p. Near Chagu. Weekend is in what Nidin Wagana as a face. It's days would you mutaya Ghana need this year. Yeah, the war bataya who did more ding. This was so beautiful to witness. I say now from afar, true lens, yaba hobby. True lens. We are some way the one found one you cry. Why are they? True lens. Background. Classy. Class. My God. For who are you trying to schedule? For heavy back, Mr.
That particular one. Aha!
I think today really is a great day, and you know, Iceland is a very special place. In fact, this is my first time here. I've traveled all over the world, but not Iceland. So, Femi, thank you for for opening my eyes to come to Iceland. Actually, I've been sleeping since the time that I arrived here. I know this wedding really is so special. I had to cancel so many events to be here because Temi is a very, very special person to the family. And I think, Tosin, you are very, very lucky that you have a great wife, somebody who is very, very entrepreneurial, somebody who really wants to be on her own right from childhood. Temi doesn't really want to count on her father's money. You know, when you have a father like Femi, you have to be tough. And I know you are tough, even though you are you always look very calm. But I know you are tough. And you should continue to make us proud. Tosin, you know, you are a part-time singer, but you are an entrepreneur. In fact, when I was with you guys yesterday, we did not talk about music. We always mute the back seat and call you the richest people on earth. But really, honestly, I must really thank, as the chairman of this occasion, I must thank each and every one of you for having time to fly all the way. Iceland is not a normal place to visit. So obviously, most of us were actually, you know, veered off to come down here. I mean, it took us, 8.5 hours from Nigeria. Amazing family. And I wish you all the very best. Good. I mean, wait, before I even say that, I want to advise something. Please, I know that you have a lot of friends, but you know, once you get married, you draw friends and now just be between two of you. Don't get your affairs, you know, don't discuss your affairs with anybody. Whatever it is, sort it out within yourselves. And you've been together for a while. So I'm sure this will be the best wedding in town.
Say, where mona ya pesa yetie wo mwenye bongo ideas mo. Where mona ya pesa yetie wo musikani kasa experience. Oh goodness, momons emane. Yeah, where they are in 3 countries. One ma a whole down with this one call hoda mo nam. Yeah, mum, yeah, can promise. I will see a follow footsteps. I will see a follow can promise footsteps. Now, and someone or kafa Mr. Eazi which say musicians will see it me ejai kasa because there's a guy no investments 18 countries Dangote na eka say yo. Na say Mr. Eazi on Kaso, secret billionaire. Also, in the next few years, he'll be the richest musician from Africa. Oh. Moments and man. Yes. Just what kind of Ellen White? Sister, no, so another secret billionaire on Kaso. Now, where say? King kwano doors. Kwan no de no doors, but when Kasa Iceland, Monaco, Dubai. Yenchum, congratulations to them once again. This was so classy. Hey, and wedding. We were wedding, piano, fashion this year. You best say because trend we met movie am say no. More fashion this year and my near started after for no. Molly and Swakoshia Cardi B Wakoshia Cardi na buy any day. Or they shake you to the max. Just one song, baby I will rerun. Ya deradia sepa ye. Yanke bomb payes and Kagana no. Ka artist ni she se obi abonyombe 39. 39. When she a legend back kwa Ghana na wetwem. Nti no ya beda Molly as say or raise the flag of Ghana so high. Momon sema ba ya no take this for the show. Ya kwa senya ekoye ya ba ya to aso. And sana it's here Yankopon de oya na ade a we ne fefefe nya many time no so because girl ya nwumi ya say enu nwuma we release da fa onya new management almost yen sam fantum ka wanye suti a ka by now no ka any opportunity singing album te ko da suti e de ye aso di bebre nye store one academy sa na ye de nti no I don't know di e che ni wanya hit bebre no. Thank you very much. Yenko netizan be concerned so concerning Mr. Eazi obi aware okotunifo say edin a obe use enie eh na wo so say name ya den nipa a wo tro ye hwe wo tremu a edin na abaya ni kuta no ano hye etina nka kofi ya say aware e be no Sandro say no esan say kofi ya say papa wo skint no ke ye ka Sandro heme no papa wo skint ye nkipi o heme no come on obetimi dey na middle name the papa creator ne for say your husband is the boss bow to him. Tiwa we che so dey afutu obey. Okwa Iceland obi. Ye beti ba ye mfa. Wate to ne for bra ye mfa tufo.
Mr. Eazi made was giving his surname to Temi Otedola. Mr. Eazi, now you suppose collect Temi Otedola surname. You don't know who you marry, Mr. Eazi. You go give him Temi Ajibade. You not suppose give him your surname. Sometimes a man suppose humble himself, collect the surname of a woman, especially when you are marrying someone as powerful, as influential as Otedola Pikin. Mr. Eazi, if you collect that surname, you are doing yourself a favor, you are doing your family a favor, you are doing your generation a favor. Your surname when you carry give Temi no make sense. In my opinion, Mr. Eazi and Temi, congratulations to you both on your wedding. But I don't understand why you guys came out and said that you spent over $15 million on your wedding. From what I don't see online so far, that was a low-key wedding. Wedding we wanna do, make una don't spend money. Una do I'm low-key. The wedding no they loud now. I'm an OG. That's why I'm saying this to you.
Oh, I love you, Radio God.
And I can't keep repeating
order for wa okasa ye beda wase afutuo de agugumu ahodo ade echi ade sa obi anso wofo na wo setitufo wa wanko Iceland when your machi anko mu na akwa anko san ye nyina ye be hulele congratulations ne de amomo na ija woso on that note no Mr. Eazi here no na mo kasa te say Ghana for who FM yeah. Ghana you oh sabo wow. Okopie road now that say bro yeah Ghana for your share. me who say so she be person who truly abaya no body shaming ni ade moya munyae enye obi a na person okotwitwa ne honam wo de make a cho no nye obi a na person ye bibi o ka heti a wa heti ska wenyi o ka so person okohye second yase ankonko ye nye obi a na o person o ye ade we na ye begini. Oh, so don't stop trolling her. She's very beautiful. What is there to troll anyway? Sa actress bi mu de money see ne so actress bi sini twani bi na nefuo sister ye kwesa na o fibroid. Oh, say trolling there amunjai. O pesa me bo sister ni din so ade enchi. Yanko bi AVM so na squad PPA mu ye hwese ne ye call kono mma wate.
Look.
Molly, she recorded an episode of Digging as well at the OK Player Lounge. Fantastic. You guys should tap in and look at that episode. It's on our YouTube right now. YouTube.com/OKPlayer.
This is a one-of-one custom.
Wow.
Custom.
Yeah.
Special night. We love it.
You know what?
We are definitely rating it a 10 out of 10. It's giving confidence. It's giving mermaid hair. You know, and she's up for Best Afrobeat.
You know what? It's my first
I don't know. OK Player said that.
I think she's winning that.
I think she's winning that too. Tyler fans, don't come at us.
I remember the most.
Listen, man, shake it to the max.
But we've been shaking it to the max.
Is there anybody? I mean, the list is so long tonight of the superstars that are going to be
24/7.
Who are you excited to see?
Yeah, I'm giving a prediction that Molly's going to win Best
I want to be
Afrobeat.
sexy. She just pulled up. She's looking mighty fine tonight. I want to.
Tyler's a close second.
Yeah,
absolutely.
I mean, but with the Fly remix, she's got everyone on the remix and everything.
You gotta get inside. So thank you so much for
It's
stopping
been
by.
bumping it every single day.
You will not want to miss.
It's been almost a song of the
Halftime at the VMAs is about to be a problem.
Bianca show, you are who you think you are. Man, we want to make boy because Ghana need represented. Now her squad, yeah, she about to production. Yeah, ready, I'm my uncle TJ, maybe. Hallelujah. Wow, Monsa Mombi and Molly. Now upcoming artists, yes, Ramo, I best Ramo, ready demo. A dear more fafano, one gonna simple, my to say Molly near Boneco. Crabby buying, say a friend is a friend who could feel as calamity, the set blanks. I ain't. Why, Nebecca? Oh, want to try dinner, so why now? Samini, so. Paluta kakora obi bisa say die ne sie yen hwembra
me ne paluta ko embassy ya ye bibia wi say aka biometrics e di paluta nsa for no tare machine so a ade no fa ya ade no fa ye de me sa tare na afa me dem say ye gomino me say gomino ti e be kru so hye ne ya e be no so hye ya Palu. Bad man. I just saw yo Europe. Watch out. Touchdown soon, yeah?
That's right. Respect.
Ouch.
Ya de besi na yapon e wa hase na yaton kra magazine ne manfo dwumoa wura constituency. You can check exhibit for the team multimedia can brands. Adom TV for store me hono because na omo sha fashion as a Kundum festival. Ya sha obo said ye be ko hoso wo bia no ye be twa agudi ama because amamre ni amane de Adom TV F fan kwenti exhibit. Diane ni na momboabo no Gaius is coming. You know what I'm saying? Oh PDM producer Sarah Pare baby girl or my director wo be Kofi Ampadu supervisor or techi Kofi ase wa ha Thomas wa ha Azu Yusuf MCR Lizzy will makeup fresh boy ni kwe be da munyina mo as Frank happy belated birthday and come Frank a sound engineer wa ha nyame enshra pay we love you Frank. God bless your new age. I'm the guy Queen. Medibesi. Bye for now.
When you start sending, where do you go? Oh, you guy.